Sige. Sige.
Well, I'm so excited about December. And this is really very revolutionary, and I'm touched to the core of my heart. But mainly because you are a godly person talking about a new invention which will revolutionize the world and eradicate poverty. I'm involved in, by the way, a group called Asian Solidarity Economy Forum, and we have representatives now working with the Rio Plus 20 nandoon, and nakikipagbakbakan kung anong gagawin talaga sa sustainability 20 years after Rio Earth Summit, right? So anyway, I'd like to bring you into that forum one of these days. Don't mind. But the questions, yeah, because we're working with investors really internationally, and I hope investors who are really looking for projects like this to invest in, to eradicate poverty worldwide. And worldwide yung Cloudcom group. And yeah, you mentioned about, two questions, no? You mentioned about angel funding. So can you talk about that later? What kind of angel funding do you need at this point? No? Another info. There is a group, investors, Korean investors, na coming in next week, and they're looking for mass housing projects to invest in, and they want to buy lands. But now, after hearing from you, I think they shouldn't buy land. They should invest in a project like this. So maybe again, I would like to invite you pag nandito na yung grupo na yan, and maybe you can share what you have in your hands right now. We can be malahi ko pa say this. And yeah, yung question, the second question is, are you aware of the CDM credit? CDM development mechanism, carbon development mechanism. Are you aware of that?
Honestly, hindi.
Okay.
Pero baka ngayon.
Okay, it's something like this. Projects like this can be proposed in such a way that you will get carbon credits for it. Because this will prevent carbon emission. I'm an environmentalist, by the way. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, and projects like this, pwedeng funda ng first world countries who are emitting so much carbon dioxide into the air, so much pollution, and carbon credit is offsetting of carbon dioxide emissions against countries that produce less of that. And so projects like this will qualify for that. Pwede kang kumita on top of your policy.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's also explore that.
Wow. Thank you. Well, what can I say? Well, ito kasi, a while ago bago pumasok dito, Coach Robel, are you used to this? Sabi ko, ako rin ka, ako hindi. But then one day, yun nangyari. When you surrender your life to Him, and you say na, use me, then He will really use you. Maski rin sa mga bagay na hindi mo ginagawa before. So, yamay ka ba? Pero minsan nandun yun eh. Yung kaya ka nga misyonero. Buhay misyonero sabi yan. So yung funding mo ganyan. Right now, dati may mga small projects kami. We built housing for the abandoned elderly Calabo Sanchez sa Alawin Montalban. Makita niyo yun, yung unang mga buildings na in-assemble. Kami yun. We rallied yung mga different students dito sa Manila, architecture, engineering students. Hindi pa sila graduate nun, graduating pa lang. Ngayon mga license na. And then yung mga professors. And then we volunteered our time, our talent, and technology, but we don't have any treasure. Pero we opened opportunity to companies, ng mga building materials companies. So sila nag-fund noon, naitayo yun. Different companies na naging partner na namin. So natayo yung projects na yun. No? So ganun siya nangyari. So we believe in abundance mentality, not scarcity. We believe that blessings are just all around us. You just have to learn how to spot opportunities and turn these opportunities to blessings. So yun yung mga belief namin ganyan. Pero we are, what? Ordinary people. Used extraordinary by Him. So ganun kami. Right now, may core kami, onti lang kami. So before we had projects, nagpa-concert for a cause kami sa Araneta Center, Cubao. Tatlo yun, October, November, December. We touched the lives of ng mga, the word yung alam mo, kakadik-adik ng mga nagbabanda mga. Pero no, we planted to them something na umiiyak yung mga rockistang to na may magagawa pala kaming makabuluhan din. So yung benefit nun, yung mga homeless doon nakikita nyo sa Cubao, lalo dati nung hindi pa ganun ka-well-developed, wala pa yung mega all doon. Ilang years ago, pag doon pumunta sa Araneta Center, matatakot ka, baka mag-hold up ka. At saka ang dami natutulog sa mga bangket. Yun yung mga time na yun. So may mga projects kayo ngayon. And many more, may Valentine's for a Dance for a Cause kami, may mga ganun kaming project, small term projects. And may long term projects kami, yung mga Black City, yung mga ganun. But then right now, I think, nabu-burn out yung mga volunteers pag walang means. Kasi meron kang enough lang to support. Pero sometimes, itong mga kabataan, they in-expect sila na makatulong na sa family. So mag-abroad, or maski graduate na nito, hindi naman sa ano, pero ibig sabihin, di ba yung kinuha nila, magpa-call center, or naiiba sila. Pero ang gusto talaga nila, ito, mag-book, yung cost. So right now, medyo binago namin. We want to support yung mga sumusuport, yung mga nag-volunteer. Kasi sila, hindi na magawa-gawa yung mga studies, mga dissertation, kasi may worry sila yung mga ganyan. So ano ba yung kailangan yung mga yan? Sometimes supercomputers na kasi we do animations, yung mga world-class na presentation para to present yung ideas, the concept to people, to investors, to yung mga sinamafine. Pero yung minsan hindi magawa. Why? Kasi the means. Pero we're not stopping. Yun yung ginagawa namin ngayon. We continue. Now we have projects. Thanks be to God. First, ganun. So, slowly, it will finance yung mga nagpo-volunteer. So, ganun lang, to equip yung mga, kasi you cannot empower if you're not equipped. Di ba? Parang the empowerment, kailangan mong i-equip. So, I think nandun kami sa ganung stage. So, most likely ganun. And thank you for your once again, God is in the details. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I can, baka meron akong mga part pa rin natira dito. So, anyone na may gusto,
yung pa natuloy search sa Facebook page.
oo nga, yan lang. Type niyo yan doon, nandun na yan. Philip Ino. To anyone, meron akong mounting card dito. And since Facebook, meron din ako mga Facebook na phone. Meron pa kasi isang company na yung mismong timeline mo, i-present nila for free. Yung timeline mo. So, anyone na pang Facebook na lang ito. So, for free. Yung ganyan yung nag-promo sila. So, okay na?
Are you going for the
Any more questions?
Explain why
Actually, I enrolled.
Philip Ino. My real name is Philip Purino.
So many things.
But then since na naging inventor ako, when I was 30, sabi kong turning point in my life, when I surrendered my life.
Anytime I can take it.
When I was 30 years old, the same age when David became king. David became king, or in my life, David was 30 when he became king. Yung scripture na sinabi sa akin. Ako naman, when I was 30, it was the time that he became king in my life. So naging Filipino. Kaya pag lumalaban ako ng invention competition, it's a Filipino invention. So it's not my name na naririnig. Tayo mga Pilipino. It's a Filipino architecture. So I'm not doing it anymore for myself. It's something that represents our country. Kaya masyadong mabigat yung doon, di ba? Kailangan mong gawing Lord class o world class. Kasi nga, you want to make made in the Philippines really world class or Lord class. That's Filipino. Natanggal yung poor mentality. Purino yun eh.
What's your real name? What's your real name?
Philip Purino.
Purino.
Purino. Actually, ayan, Purino. Purino. Tapos naging innovator kasi ako kasi inventor. Malay ko ba, meron pa naman when paglaki ko gusto maging inventor. Tapos baka meron din. Ako, I was just an accident, God used me. Sabi nga when you surrender your life to Him, akala mo pag sinurrender mo na, ang dami niyang kukunin sa'yo. No. May kukunin sa sa'yo yung mga hindi na align sa purpose niya. Pero yung ipapalit niya, grabe. So Black, the technology is the tool to eradicate homelessness. Without Black, will I be dun sa mga nangyari sa It's the tool. It's a blessing. It's an entrusted tool. Kumbaga kay David is his slingshot para ni si Goliath. No? So yun din, yung Goliath natin ngayon is homelessness. So the slingshot is the technology.